Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the hope stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, the half double crochet stitch, and how to work in the back loops. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 2 plus 3. I have already made 25 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 half double crochet stitch into the second chain from your hook. Now you'll make 1 half double crochet stitch into each chain across. So that's 1 half double crochet into the second chain and then 1 half double crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 2 chains. These 2 chains count as a half double crochet stitch, so you're going to skip the first stitch. We're going to be making 1 half double crochet into each stitch, but only using the back loops. So first we have to identify the back loops. Turn your work until you're looking at the top of your stitches. These loops right here at the back of your stitches, the loops farthest away from you, are going to be the back loops. So again, we're skipping this first stitch. Into this next one, you're going to make a half double crochet into the back loop of that stitch. That's how that is looking. So it's going to be this loop right here. Just make 1 half double crochet. And you can see how those are looking. It's going to create this little ridge right here. So you're going to work 1 half double crochet stitch into each stitch, but only using that back loop until you reach the end of this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 1 chain. Into the first stitch, make 1 single crochet. Now we're going to get into the sequence of this row. You're going to skip 1 stitch. Into this next one, make a single crochet. And then over this single crochet you just made, you're going to make a single crochet into that stitch that you skipped. So it's going to look like this. Now you're going to repeat that, skip 1 stitch into this next one, single crochet, then make a single crochet into that skipped stitch. Skip 1 stitch in the next one, single crochet, and then into that stitch that you skipped, make a single crochet over that one you had just made. So that's how things are looking. You're now going to repeat this sequence of skipping 1 stitch, making a single crochet in the next one, then make a single crochet over that single into the stitch that you had skipped until you reach the end of this row. When you get to the end of your row, you're going to have 1 stitch left. Work 1 single crochet into that last stitch to complete this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. To start row 4, make 1 chain. Into the first stitch, make 1 single crochet. So this row 4 is going to be exactly the same as row 3. It's just easier making it its own row at the end when I have to say you repeat these rows instead of saying repeat row 3 2 times and then do the next ones. It's just easier for me. It makes more sense. I think it's a little less confusing. So if you already have row 3 down, you would just repeat that again. That's exactly what this row is going to be. So again, we're going to make that sequence of skipping 1 stitch. Into this next one, make that single crochet. Then make a single crochet into that skipped stitch over the single crochet you had just made. That's our sequence. So you're going to skip the next stitch into this next one, single crochet. Then make a single crochet into the stitch that you skipped. Skip 1 stitch into this next one, single crochet. Then make a single crochet into that stitch that you had skipped, looking like that. So you're going to repeat this sequence of skipping 1 stitch, making a single crochet in this next one, and then making a single crochet over the one you just made into that skipped stitch until you reach the end of this row. When you get to the end of this row, you only have 1 stitch left. Work 1 single crochet into that last stitch to complete this row. And that's how row 4 is looking. To start row 5, make 2 chains. These 2 chains count as a half double crochet, so you could skip the first stitch. For row 5, we're simply making 1 regular half double crochet into each stitch across. And that's how row 5 is looking. You would now repeat rows 2, 3, 4, and 5 in order for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the hope stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.